Welcome back, everyone. Crowon is here again, and we're going to go ahead and tackle UCE Level Up Notice. So let's get that import into our project. And this add-on simply will pop up a message when the player levels up. You have to display some information for them. Very typical in most games to tell them they leveled up or have some effect or something dazzly to point them in the right direction and know they're doing something right. So let's go ahead and open that README up. Alright. So in here, I don't got nothing special to do. So no changes required. So that means it should just work. So let's go ahead and check out our player. So we see what we have in there. So on our warrior, scroll on until we find our level up notice. There it is. Let's expand this out. And now you'll see that there's a message in here. You can have it pop an icon up, play a sound in here. So let's just put in here leveled up exclamation point. All right. Now I'm just going to put space at the end because it's going to pop up what level they become at the end. So we're going to want to have a little spacing in there. So all right, let's go ahead and play, and hopefully we're close to leveling, so we don't have to take forever to do this. All right, we're level 4, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a new character because that will be significantly faster than trying to get that one to level 5. So, all right. So we have our new character. We're going to come in. We're going to find our skeletons. Wah, wah. So let's get this bad boy down. Oh, we leveled up. Level 2. There you go. There's your pop-up. And then you can see it had the default icon at the top because we had it at 0. So you can set that to whatever icon you want as well. And now you'll see it shows up in our little log records down here as well. So that's everything for Level Up Notice. So I will catch you in the next one.